Mabuhay, guys! Today we are at Lowe's to shop for seed starting kits. Here are some Jiffy greenhouse kits that are very convenient to use. These kits come with peat pellets in a tray and a dome. They come in 12, 14, 16, and when you add water, they can grow up to 7 times their size. They also come in 25, 36, and 72. They also have grow lights, but do we really need one? We have a south-facing window where we always put our seeds to start indoors, and we've always been successful with it. They're also selling heat mat, guys, and these are used to speed up germination. We're home now, guys, and it's time to start our seeds. We got 2 of the packs of 16. This kit comes with free seed labels and a pack of fertilizer. We just simply add water to make the pellets grow. After the pellets have expanded, it's time to open the netting at the top so we can put our labels and sow our seeds. We have to do this step very gently to make sure that the netting doesn't break. These are the labels that came with the kit, and it's very important to label your seedlings so that you can identify what type they are as they grow. Buying 4 different varieties of peppers this year. Now it's time to label. We prefer to put the label in first so that we can identify where to put what seed. As you can see, we put all the peppers together in one tray. Now it's time to start our pepper seeds. We're using this plate that was made in the Philippines to hold our seeds. First is our Corbaci seeds. Oops, the seed followed me. This plate is very handy because it makes it easy to put back extra seeds. Next is Jimmy Nardello. Next is the Shishito. Next is Pangsinigang pepper. We ordered this one from a Filipino vendor on eBay because we couldn't find it anywhere else. Putting away your seeds properly is crucial, so there isn't a mess of seeds everywhere and so that you can still use those seeds later. With these seeds, we're putting them a 1/4 inch down. We grow our own seedlings because the varieties we prefer are not available at our local nurseries, and watching the seeds you grow is also very rewarding. We only spray a little bit because the seeds need moisture to germinate, but if it's wet, they won't. Now we have to put the dome on to lock the moisture in. The cover's not wanting to fit good, so we're going to try to tape it. Since we didn't have enough labels from Jiffy, we're using popsicle sticks to label the other box. Next we're doing the eggplants, winged beans, and gourds. First is the Chinese string eggplant. Next is the winged beans. Whoa! With seeds like Patola, we need to put them down, like this. With big seeds like winged bean, we need to put them 1/2 inch down. Whoops!
Yeah, that's a better one.
And like with the Patola, we must do the Cucuzzi, hold it, and then down. We'll show you guys how to plant seeds like Cucuzzi and Patola one more time, and then we'll fill in the rest. Now it's time to unbox the seed starting heat mat that we bought at Lowe's to help the germination go faster. We're here in the bedroom now, guys, and we're reading the instructions so we know how to use it. Always read instructions with things like this. Heat is another thing that helps with germination. Not even 1 week later, and this is already how our seedlings look. These are our peppers and some eggplants. Eggplants and some shishitos. And our winged beans. Look at the roots, guys! This is our seed station setup, guys, and we're using 2 tables and a greenhouse that we bought at Walmart. We decided to transplant the Cucuzzi and the Patola because they grew so fast. It's only been a few days and they're already this big. We were worried about these seeds not germinating because we didn't clip the tops like we normally do, but it seems like the seeds from Baker Creek have a really high germination rate as well as really healthy seeds. We experimented with the chayote that we bought from the store, and it sprouted. Isn't it amazing how things like that happen? Salamat po sa supporta!